10. Best Fly Me Out dating app. Alternatives. Looking for the best Fly Me Out dating app alternatives? Many people find it hard to meet someone genuine or experience frustrating communication problems when using these apps. From fake profiles to lack of quality matches, finding the right platform can be a hassle. Be sure to watch the whole video because there's a surprise waiting for you at the end. 10. International Cupid connects people from all over the world. It's perfect for those looking for serious relationships and even marriage. 9. Tandem is not just a dating app, it's also a language exchange platform. It allows you to connect with others while learning their language, which can help form real connections. 8. OkCupid is a popular and trusted app that matches you based on your values and personality. It offers a detailed profile and questionnaire to ensure more compatible matches. 7. Elite Singles is for educated professionals who are serious about finding a relationship. It's ideal if you're looking for someone with similar career goals and aspirations. 6. Tinder is widely used and known for quick, casual matching, but many users have found lasting relationships. Its global reach makes it easy to connect with people from different countries. 5. Bumble allows women to make the first move, offering more control over conversations. It's a refreshing change from traditional dating apps and helps you connect faster. 4. Match.com has been around for years and remains a reliable choice for serious relationships. It offers a variety of ways to meet people through detailed profiles and daily suggestions. 3. Hinge promotes meaningful connections over casual ones. It encourages users to build more authentic profiles by commenting on photos or prompts to spark better conversations. Do you like our tips so far? Like and subscribe to our channel to discover more secrets about online dating. Or why not join our free dating community? The link is in the description. Now, let's continue. 2. Travel. Singles is a great platform for people who love to travel and are looking for a partner with the same passion. It offers a unique opportunity to meet others while sharing your love of adventure. 1. Badoo is one of the largest dating networks worldwide, known for its large user base and ability to connect people across borders. It's easy to use and offers a variety of ways to meet people, from video calls to live chats. Bonus number 1. Happen is perfect for those who want to meet people they've crossed paths with in real life. It uses location-based technology to match you with nearby users. Bonus number 2. POF offers a more casual approach but has millions of active users worldwide. It's easy to use and allows you to search by location, interests, and even relationship goals. You are welcome to join our free international dating community. The link is in the description and comments. Is our video helpful to you? Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel to get more tips about online dating. Want to know more secrets about online dating? Watch these videos next.